my practice, what I do is I look at the entire human body, all of it. So when you come in with an issue or problem or concern, we look at every piece of your puzzle, we put them together, and then we lay out a plan or a protocol so that you can feel better when you walk out my door. I started my career using low-level light therapy, which is using light, which is a form of energy, and understanding the energy continuum. Everything is energy, sound, light, heat. When you look at all of those things and how energy affects the body, bioenergetics is perfectly logical and it makes sense. Everything in the body moves, every cell moves, therefore if it moves, it has a measurable, quantifiable vibrational pattern. So why bioenergetics? To me, after using laser therapy for so long, moving into this field of using energy to create a positive biological change in the body just made sense. And I have seen the phenomenal, significant results of people who choose to use this pathway for a greater sense of healing. I chose NES Health because I'm a critic first. I need to test everything, try everything. And when someone first approached me about NES Health, I said, no, I don't think so. Someone sent me a scanner and said, oh, do this scan. It'll send me the results. And, I'll read them and we'll go over them with you. Now, keep in mind, I'm in Pennsylvania. He's in California. I did the scan and I let it sit on my desk for a month. Meanwhile, I am having major health concerns, major health issues. I just paid a lot of money for a very comprehensive DNA test. I'm going to finally call this guy and sit down and go over this scan that I had with NES Health. I did not tell the person that was going over the scan with me that I had this very expensive 87-page test in front of me while he was going over my scan. And as he's talking, he's saying things about my bioenergetic energy fields, my body fields, my patterns, my health patterns, nutritional things. And I'm thinking, did he get a copy of my DNA test before I did? And literally point on point. And after the end of the phone conversation, I said to him, when can I come out for training? My name is Susan BOSTIAN. I run an integrative health practice in Nazareth, Pennsylvania, where I've been my entire life.